Namaskar. Today I would like to share a special experience. Yesterday I visited the famous Shastra temple in Jashore. Since I will be leaving my beloved city of Jashore in about a month, I thought it was important to preserve some memories. I live in Dharmatala and the Shastra temple is quite far from my place. So I set off for the temple with a few of my younger messmates. As soon as we reached the temple, we re-entered and offered our respectable pronouns. And we sat down in the designated area and the Kirtan began. After the Kirtan, there was a reading from the Bhagavad. The temple was filled with many devotees. Finally, along with the other devotees, partook in the prasad. After that, we all returned to our mess. Thank you, everyone.